such an odd place. There's somebody who's working on something right here. It looks like it drills in, so I guess they're gonna build some tall building right there, I guess. But there's a lot of construction stuff everywhere. Tall buildings everywhere too, right? And just kind of go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Everywhere too, right? And then just kind of keep looking around. But in this area, there's like some kind of construction plant or recycling cardboard, I think. And then you have this place. Looks like maybe the security guard maybe stays in that building and overlooks this property. There's like a pink crane over there. More recycled cardboard. So this might be a recycling center. And more tall buildings up here. There's like a mountain over there that overlooks Taipa, looks over the airport, looks over Taipa Village. It's pretty cool if I go up there and film. But what I want to do today is I'm starting here, and then I'm going to go over here and take a look at that, of course. And then we're going to go up this. Oh, look at that. So much construction in Macau. And I think this is... So we're gonna go up. We're gonna take this up right here. But you can just kind of see these walls of apartments, and then there's more of the construction. Must be building some tall buildings. So this is what it looks like right now, and I bet probably at another time there'll be something huge constructed here. Anyways, this is what it looks like from here. This, and we're gonna keep on walking, and then I'll show you what it looks like over the street. There we go, right there. So you have this side, you have this side. So this is all called Taipa, another part of Taipa. I think I filmed different parts of Taipa. Just to kind of give you some reference, Macau is of course Macau, but we call the escalator switches from both sides. So this one is down on the left side. So we went up on the right side, then we go down on the left side. Well, anyways, okay. I guess in some ways it, well, whatever, however that works. Yeah, so we basically went up the right, and then we come over to the left, and then over there you go up on the left and come over on the right. So it's just basically opposite. I always a little bit confused whenever I've been over here anyways, and I guess that's probably why it's not really that clear. So, okay, just kind of this wall of apartments right here. Huh. I forget what I was gonna say. Oh yeah, okay, Taipa. So, Macau, it's really starting to rain here. Let's get away from the rain a little bit. So there we go. So Macau, smartphone. So Macau basically is divided into several parts. I kind of want to walk into here, so I'll tell you in a minute. Okay, so it looks like it's raining, so I'll just conclude that real quick. I was gonna do some more walking. This is the store I just went into. Got some stuff here, and because of this raining, we're gonna conclude the story, and I'm just going to go back up and I'm going to grab a bus, but I'll just tell that real quick. So this is called the Taipa side, and the Macau side is basically the peninsula, and then this used to be an island. So it used to be a Taipa island and then Koloan island, and then they put land between it, and that became Cotai Strip, where all the casinos are at. So that's basically on what used to be ocean, and so basically Cotai is built between the two. So this is basically called Taipa. So a lot of times people in Macau, they call, they just say, okay, I'm going to be in Taipa, I'm going to be in Macau. And of course they're both are Macau, but one of them is the northern island part, and the other one is this part. And this one's called Taipa. And there's a lot of cool stuff in Taipa. A lot of cool stuff in Macau too. But yeah, same city. Okay, let's conclude right there. That's the end of this one. Chiquinha,